Hey everyone, this is Carla R. Jenkins, and welcome to a new episode of Projectized, the project management show, where we tell you three things: the business of project management, how businesses use project management, and obtaining project management certification. So today I'm going to talk about cloud project management. And the reason why I'm talking about it is because I always like to use this show as an opportunity to expose my viewers more about the different types of project management. So, for those who don't know, when I'm talking about the cloud, I'm talking about cloud computing, where you're storing your information on a large server, which is another computer, but it's not tied to a wire. So, you have your either desktop at work or your laptop, and that has a wire to it. Well, it's called serverless, and serverless means that it's not in a data center. There's no physical presence. There isn't a physical presence. That's what the cloud computing is. And thanks to cloud computing and its new revolution of being serverless and not having a wire and being wireless, it has in a way brought project management back to the forefront through Slack, Trello, Asana, and Microsoft Teams. You have three main cloud providers or vendors: Amazon Web Services, which is the market leader, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform. So those are the three big ones. You also have IBM and Alibaba. And the thing about cloud project management is when you read a lot of the articles on Google, it talks about project management software. Well, cloud project management is actually managing the cloud. So it's managing the data centers, it's managing the data, the storage behind them, which is different than using a project management tool. So cloud, the tools I mentioned, Asana, Trello, those are project management tools and project management software that can be used either for project communication, which is in the communication knowledge area, or it can be used as a resource in the project resource management knowledge area. Those two. Furthermore, you can use these tools that are cloud-based, like Slack or Trello or on Confluence or Jira, as stakeholder management tools to communicate with stakeholders if they prefer to communicate through the Slack channel or Trello. So it's a lot of different ways of using the tools, but the definition of cloud project management is managing cloud projects and managing the cloud. So that means virtualization machines and making sure that when you're moving or migrating from your data center and your physical, racks, hot and cold racks, and HVAC, and all of the stuff that you have in a data center, like all of those physical servers, when you're migrating either all or a portion of it to the cloud, that's what you're managing. So you would manage cloud-based projects, not just exclusively the tool that you use, because that's not really project management. That's project resource and that's project communications. But project management is the total from beginning to end management of the project. Remember, projects are temporary. Furthermore, what I will also say about the cloud is it's not 100%. You have a lot of hybrid clouds of people who just do certain portions of their company on the cloud. And if it's more proprietary or trademark, they keep it on premises. And on premises means a physical building, not on the cloud with the serverless or virtualization or virtual machine. So that's something I also want to discuss and define here with the cloud. You don't have to shift all of your stuff onto the cloud. You can keep some things here. Most of the time, they do have private clouds, and people do put their proprietary stuff on it. But sometimes their proprietary or the important trade secret stuff stays on the premise. So cloud project management is the actual management of cloud projects, not a cloud-based project management tool such as Asana, Slack, Trello, Jira, MS Teams. None of that. That's cloud-based project tool or project software. But cloud-based project management is actually managing cloud-based projects, which are two totally different things. So this concludes this episode of Projectized. My name is Carla R. Jenkins. You can sign up for our free newsletter PM Project at bit.ly/PM Project Mail. It's in the title. I'll also put the link in the description so that you can sign up and you can get project management tips and learn project management the easy way from a certified project management professional, me, at bit.ly/PM Project Mail, all one word. So I would like to thank everyone for watching.